wax, which is a little bit touch up the distal corner facial areas, but slightly we do have an issue about number 7 sticking out. Okay.
Yes.
Alright, so we get the occlusion contact all manner, right?
Yes.
That's good.
It's all.
And then we cut back properly the gum. That's good. And then vocal corridor, height of contour is good, bite is good. Can I see the other side? Turn. Yes, that's what I see. Okay, hold on. Okay, that looks good.
Okay.
And go ahead and mirror today. Alright, thanks. Now this is a third bake blower. So I put the very little EOP4, which is light blue-white color, trying to make the enhance of a tissue area like that. Only the CJ area. However, I put a little bit more light. This color. Apply to in between, which is the embrasure area. Apply together. I don't have to go all the way down, but I can stop about that embrasure corner like that. Okay, so here's this slightly light blue like that, right? So all same thing. This is more impact. For the final, my restorations does not look like dirt or high aesthetic. That area, which is uneven, is okay like that. Okay, so I keep doing that, the embrasure with light pink higher. However, I put the slightly white opalescency with the gum area. Same thing is moved to the other side too. However, I apply the light pink in between embrasure. So I'm trying to make the tooth shape and contour. Right, so move over here. Alright, and then move. Slide right. Like that. I don't want to get too much, just little. If I put too much, I can grind a little bit shape down. Anyway, that one is a great background to the shadow for embrasure. That's why people say our restoration is lifelike. That's the key. They don't know, they don't do. You cannot get the nice pink aesthetic color. Okay, that's good. Okay. This is enough. Okay. Here. Alright, move it another. Do not confuse, this is the mono. Previously I showed them there was layer. So I did not put any porcelain. I'm going to put the luster paste top of that after fire this. I know we do have so many full mouth implant. I'm trying to have to my crew. I can make some indentation more natural looking, just like a concave over there, but I don't want patient have some stuffed foot trap. I don't want that, so I don't want to compensate those kind of things. I'm trying to make as clean, as nice as possible, unless I make the sample. My sample, yeah, I can create whatever I want. That's it. That's the third time I build up, so I add it. It's a great education for everyone. Okay, lingual is okay, so we don't have to concentrate too much. Facial. So this is the all facial line. So we have to add several layer, and then to look better. Okay. Thank you. A 10-unit implant. The monolithic. We finish it. It's coloring, and they created tissue contour detail. And here's a little bit issue, but the doctor have to put some composite, and then they make the even. This is a little controversial cases, but we created. It's nice occlusion. The color here is low. Okay, that was good. So now we cement it with the tie base. Okay, and then upper. The we cement is trying to make the good passive fit insertion like that. It's perfectly done. Okay, so now this one is from the base about the wax try-in, so we make guard for the patients. I don't want them cases break it. So this one is the final restoration anyway. It's beautiful arch.